Welcome to this video. We will be talking here about responsive websites. By responsive websites, we mean a website which is looking equally presentable in cross-platform devices. By cross-platform devices, we mean that a website is looking equally presentable in devices which have variable resolutions. For example, in a mobile you have a different resolution. In a laptop you have a much larger resolution and a wider screen area. So a website should be looking equally presentable in all devices. No contents of your website should be lost. So this can be achieved by using a media query. Media query is a very popular CSS command by using which we can define the screen width and beyond width and within which we can define what our website will look like. So in our example, we have the default zoom level. We have the default zoom level as this. So here you can see the website is appearing as a sidebar. You can see this navigation bar as a sidebar. Now as you increase the zoom level, means when the resolution actually reduces, it will turn into a top navigation bar. So now in this comparison, here you can see a mobile and a PC. So here you can see a mobile has a smaller screen area. So if you present your navigation bar as a sidebar, you will lose half of its space and you will just have a half of the space to write your main body content. But in a PC you can place your navigation bar at its left or maybe at its right, since you have a larger area to write your content. And now if I take an Android Wear or a watch, a smart watch, so here maybe your navigation bar, top navigation bar will not fit properly. So you may do this like that. This navigation bar may be actually scrollable, so you can scroll your navigation bar sidewise to view your hyperlinks and the main body to be appear at the remaining area. So you can use the media query here. So since here I have used the media screen and the min width attribute, so this portion is for the normal zoom level, 100% at 100% zoom level. This will appear as a sidebar, and when you zoom on the website, means when you are decreasing area, so then in your website the navigation bar is converted to a side navigation bar. You can see here. You can download this code from the link given in the description below. You have the GitHub link. You can download the code from there and you can change your styles. And in the body here is nothing but a device text, and here is the navigation bar. So the main point here is that you have different class attributes and class and class values, and everything this class values, the navigation nav bar and the text is being properly defined inside this media query brackets, as well as in normal zoom level conditions. See, here I have also defined the nav bar, and here I have also defined the text, and also here I have inside this media query I have defined the nav bar, and I have also defined the text. So you can download this whole code from the GitHub link down in the description below, and you can play around its different values and attributes, so you can see the responsiveness of your website. And you can learn more from responsive website designing from the W3 schools. Here you can learn about more about media queries. So you can just visit this site. I will also provide a link down in the description below. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.